know it all. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view. And push me up against the wall, young tuck girl in a push-up bra. Falling all over myself to lift your heart in case you're here. 'Cause with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. Lost in a bathroom stall, a southern girl with a skylit draw. I wave goodbye to Ma and Pa, 'cause with the birds I share. With the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. Soft spoken with a broken jaw, step outside but not to brawl. And autumn sweet with call it fall, I'll make it to the moon if I have to crawl. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I share. With the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view.
All the time in the world, time enough for life to unfold all the precious things love has in store. We have all the love in the world. If that's all we have, you will find we need nothing more. Every step of the way will find us with the cares of the world far behind us. We have all the time in the world just for love, nothing more, nothing less, only love. the cares of the world far behind us. Yes, we have all the time in the world just for love, nothing more, nothing less, only love.